The project is, can we take this bike and get it to the point where he loves it and I love it too? Thanks to Kimpex, we're gonna put some stuff on this bike to make it something that I wanna drive. All right, go get the brute. The difference between my socket set and your socket set is, my socket set has all the sockets and it's clean. All right, ready? Do it. Oh, you were. I was gonna get you to walk out here this way. Take two. What was easy about the Rad Relocate is all the plumbing had already been done. We'd already routed all the hoses and did that. We just needed to get the casing off because, as you can see, with that 4 different welding spots, it just kept breaking. So the Highlifter, we have a Highlifter lift kit and we have a Highlifter Rad Relocate.
So after we get the new Highlifter Rad Relocate on, we're going to put these 27-inch Kimpex Trail Troopers on the bike. So first we got to pull the old casing off here, drain the coolant out, put the new Rad Relocate on, and then bleed the coolant system again, and we'll be ready to rock.
Well, when she wrapped her loving arms around my neck on the dance floor at Chelsea's bar, I should have turned her away, but I was out of sync. I was firing, she was gasoline. But we were both sad and lonely after what death had done. But like rattlesnakes kicked across the ground, our true loves were dead and our hearts were full of grief. I was firing, she was gasoline, good God. I was firing, she was gasoline. But we helped each other out, Lord.
What's that? Oh, hey dude. We've welded it back together a few times.
Yes, sir. Howdy.
Now I don't need to be a second pair of hands.
Yeah, do they give us more doohickeys, or is it literally just sitting there?
Tell me what you're doing.
What do you want me to say?
What are you doing? Like you had some kind of bushing issue. Like what are you doing?
Took the old bushings off that Rad Relocate and put it on the new one. A little bit more. Now we gotta get it set.
That's pretty well perfect.
All done. First step, building the ultimate Trek Trail bike.
That's a lot of words.
They just try it.
No, that's a time go start.
Okay, just say Rad Relocate, done.
Rad Relocate done.
Yeah, let's go, starter.
You cut your head.
Look, these tires are pooched.
That way. Might want to get a good shot of my arm, down my arm.